9 months into the pandemic, and the first health care providers from St. Charles Bend were vaccinated today with Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. They're among the first in our area to get the shots. Jack Hirsch has the story of one of the recipients.
Happy to get this done.
Dr. Frances McCabe got her work week started a little differently on Monday.
It is wonderful to get this part of the process underway.
She headed to a conference room, signed her name.
This says I may be asked to run or jump.
Took her seat.
Don't worry, I'm a very easy subject.
And prepped for a central organ first.
Easy peasy.
The ER doctor was one of 5 St. Charles healthcare workers to get the first COVID-19 vaccinations.
We are really excited to be able to provide this vaccine for our frontline caregivers. Those folks have just done an enormous amount of work throughout this whole pandemic.
St. Charles Chief Physician Executive Dr. Jeff Absalon says the hospital will distribute all of its first shipment of the Pfizer vaccine by Wednesday.
So we've been assured that there's a matching shipment that we will utilize to vaccinate the same caregivers that have received the initial vaccine approximately 21 days from now.
But just because the vaccinations are starting doesn't mean the pandemic is over.
So it's really important to understand just because you get the shot doesn't mean you get to change any of your behavior.
And for Dr. McCabe, she has reason to keep it up.
I have a son with a pretty significant congenital heart defect, so we're super cautious at home.
But she says it's not all that hard.
Standard precautions should protect everybody, right? So you don't want to do things that are bizarre, unnecessary, and stressful, right?
Now she's one step closer to not having to worry about it at all.
Ready, Central Oregon.
In Bend, Jack Hirsch, News Channel 21.
Dr. Absalon also told us the hospital's seeing an extra dose in each vial of vaccine. Like many other hospitals around the country, that means they have more than the anticipated 975 doses. St. Charles expects another shipment on Thursday.